بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to page 16 of our book. Today we are going to learn a lot of things combined. First of all, we are going to learn أمثلة على موقع الحرف في الكلمة. Okay. أول الكلمة، داخل الكلمة، آخر الكلمة. طيب. These are examples of where letters in a word are positioned or where they appear. Okay, and we are going to do 2 or 3 things at the same time, explaining, reading, and showing you some example. For instance, look at this here, the words on the top. So these are the same words, the bolder words here or the bigger words, how they are when they're broken. Look at the first one. Okay, look at the second one, how it's broken, and the third one. Then here the same words when they are just joined together. Okay, now here what we're reading, for example, we're reading about alif, how alif appears in the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. And remember, we said alif is a non-connector. A non-connector only joins from one side. Okay, for example, look at the first one, أخذ, أخذ, أخذ. Now look at alif, it's in red color. Okay, to distinguish it from other letters here. Look for the alif hamza when it's in the middle. Okay, sa, a, la, sa'ala, sa'ala, sa'ala. Okay, now look, we said it's a non-connector. After the alif hamza, you cannot join it with lam. Okay, because it only joins from one side. Please do not forget that one. Then we have dara'a, dara'a, dara'a. Okay, dara'a. Then do not forget that alif is a non-connector, so you cannot join it with ra. Also ra is a non-connector, and dal also is a non-connector. So all of these letters in this word can never join together. Okay, now let's go to the second one. Do not forget to look at the top when they are just broken and they're showing you how to join it. Like you can just draw a line here joining the ba and the sin and the ta. Okay, do not forget to look at this one. So we are concentrating with ba. Okay, now look at ba in the beginning, in the middle, and at the end, how it looks like, and it's red in color. So we have ba sa ta, ba sa ta. Okay, ba sa ta. عبد, عبد, عبد. كتب, كتب, كتب. Okay, بسط, عبد, كتب. Okay, so ba in the beginning, ba in the middle, ba at the end. Now let's go to the second half. Okay, then we have ta. Look at ta. We have ta here. Okay, look, ta in the beginning, in the middle, then at the end. It just looks like ba, but the difference are the dots. Okay, so we have ta, ra, ka, taraka, taraka. Okay, taraka. Fa, ta, ha, fataha, fataha, fataha. Ba, ha, ta, bahata, bahata, bahata. Remember, we said ba and ta, they are connectors, and we meant the meaning of connectors according to what we are reading. Those are the letters which join from both sides. You can see here ta, it joins with fa, and it also joins with ha. Okay, yep, that is what we're talking about. Now let's go to tha. Look at tha. Tha in the beginning, tha in the middle, tha at the end. Now tha, la, ba, thalaba, thalaba, thalaba. Ma, tha, la, mathala, mathala, mathala. Ba, ha, tha, bahatha, bahatha. Thalaba, mathala, bahatha. Okay, then we have jim. Look at jim. Okay, jim with a fatha here, ja. Now look, jim in the beginning, jim in the middle, jim at the end. Okay, Don't forget here we have a non-connector, so Jim can never join with this one, but before the non-connector you can join it. Okay, I hope you remember that one. Okay, so we have ja'ala, 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 sajada, 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 araja, 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 جعل سجد عرج عرج. طيب إن شاء الله. Please notice how we've discussed these letters, how they appear in the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. Remember also the connectors and non-connectors. Also, if you have any question, let us know. Inshallah. مع السلامة. See you in page 17. مع السلامة.